Well, hey guys, how's it going? It's your favorite I don't know what I'm doing YouTuber out here, Evan. Actually, it's pretty cool. My buddy Jeff just came by and dropped off a little present for my birthday. I got this Craftsman 12-gallon wet dry vac on my hands out here. And this thing's kind of exciting because I've needed a shop vac for quite some time, and I haven't ever had a heavy-duty bad boy before, so I figured maybe we could open this together and you could see what all comes with it. See if you want to get one for yourself. Alright, let's set this guy up and see what we can't make happen over here. Got my trusty saw knife. Can't go wrong with one of those. Oh, let's see. Oh, we got, looks like a bag, a filter right off the bat. We like that. Attachment. I'll have to figure out what exactly these are for, but that looks like a floor wet attachment. Oh my goodness. Heck of a hose action out here. I kind of got to pull this out just to get to it. Oh my goodness. What a hose that is. I think that's probably about a 6 foot long hose in there. Oh my god. Look like they belong on a freaking leaf blower, but that's a freaking couple cool hoses right there. And then I would imagine pull this off. Hey look, it comes, oh, that's a solid filter, man. That looks like what comes on my truck. A bunch more attachments. This looks like the base. And the wheels. Oh, there's the wheels. So that's just the bottom down there for all the attachments. Some instructions. Who needs those? Right, some screws. I'll figure out where those go. And then another kind of wand style attachment. Looks kind of neat. Well, cool. All right. I guess let's see here. Go ahead and set this bad boy up. Oh man, what the hell is all this? Okay. So, I'm guessing that these guys just go right on here like this. And then I'd be willing to bet that that's what these screws are for, so hold tight. I will go get some screws and be alright, and I'm back. Got a little screw gun so we can put these screws in. Hold these guys in place. Should have gotten them all out of the bag earlier. That would have been smart. There we go. That's that. Grab some wheels. These just pop right on in there. All right. I've got an extra filtration sock here, but all right. Flip this bad boy over. Oh, that's kind of cool. You can direct the airflow or not. I guess I'll leave that the way it came. I don't know why I flipped that around like that. It's kind of weird. Obviously you can hear the ball for the wet dry function. And there we go. Back up. Start to get ready with some cordage here. That's a good long cord. I like that. plug you on in there. This guy looks like it screws on in here. Bam! Oh, that's nice. It's got a nice little drain on the bottom, so if you fill it with water, it's good. I like that a lot. That's nice. Keep that on there tight. Suction right there. Oh yeah. Well, I think that's gonna serve my workshop very nicely right there. I'm thrilled with that. It's a very good shop vac. I will post a link and model numbers and all that stuff down in my description there if you'd like to check it out. Thanks for tuning in.